The Blanco River is a shallow, spring-fed river in the Texas Hill Country. It's highly sensitive to drought due to its dependence on the Middle Trinity Aquifer. Current flows as of May 2025 are at 11.3 CFS, but remain well below the 93 CFS mean, reflecting ongoing drought stress in the area. The Blanco River's extremes are stark. The May 2015 flood saw a peak discharge of 175 CFS and a crest of 44.9 foot at Wimberley, while drought lows in 2011 through 2015 saw flows less than 1% of that peak. 1920s to the 1930s, early records are sparse, but the 1929 flood, 40 foot at Wimberley, was preceded by dry years with low flows, likely in the upper Blanco. 1950 to 1957 is the drought of record. Texas's worst drought on record reduced Blanco River flows to near zero for years, with springs drying and riverbeds exposed near Blanco. Jacob's Well and other springs in Blanco County ceased or slowed, impacting the base flow. 1988 to 1990, a moderate drought reduced Blanco River flows to 5 to 10 CFS at times, with upper sections near Blanco too shallow for recreation. Groundwater pumping dressing the Middle Trinity Aquifer, setting a precedent for future lows. In year 2000, Jacob's Well in Wimberley stopped flowing for the first time in recorded history, reducing Blanco River flow to less than 1 CFS in the upper reaches. This event marked a turning point, highlighting the aquifer depletion from pumping and drought. In 2010 through 2015, we had the Southern Plains drought, one of Texas's most severe droughts, with 2011 and 2013 being the driest years. In 2011, Blanco River at Wimberley fell to 2.3 CFS in July, with upper reaches near Blanco drying to pools or trickles. 2012 through 2013, flows remained critically low, 1 to 3 CFS, with Jacob's Well at 0 to 1 CFS in sections of the riverbed exposed. In 2014, slight recovery with spring rains, but flows stayed below 20 CFS, far below the 93 CFS mean. The drought ended with the catastrophic May 2015 flood, but low flows resumed later in the year, 5 CFS by October. In 2021, drought began in the Texas Hill Country, with Blanco County entering severe drought D2 by the fall. In 2022, conditions worsened to exceptional drought D4, with Blanco River flows dropping to 5 to 10 CFS at times. In 2023, Jacob's Well ceased flowing again, second recorded instance reducing Blanco River base flow to less than 2 CFS in upper reaches. In 2024, early rainfall, 6 inches in January, briefly raised flows to 20 to 30 CFS, but by the fall, flows fell to 5 to 10 CFS as drought persisted.